description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we got one from Malaysia. This is a duck noodle from, it doesn't really say it on the package, but it says it on the sachet. I think it's Hiong. Hiong duck noodle. This came by way of Ferengi. Thank you very much. I think you, add everything in and cook it for 3 minutes. Okay. Alright. So noodle block. That noodle block looks very familiar. I think I know who makes that noodle. That's a weird thing, I think. It's like, I've been reviewing instant noodles from different places for long enough that... Oh, it is powder. I swore this was a paste. Good to know. Okay. I was wrong. And I'm okay with being wrong, as long as the correction is eventually made. So yeah, let's slice into this. So this is a duck noodle, and I want to start off by asking why we don't get nice duck in the United States. I mean, I'm sure we do, but it's just like not the thing around here. Where's all the duck? Quack, quack, quack. I like duck. 3 minutes. And you get to watch it cook. I think that's something you really enjoy, so I will allow you to examine the doings of the such and things and stuff. And that's what we're doing. Alright. Maybe. So we stir and allow it to intermix in its way. So not on this episode, but 2 episodes from now, I have some wonderful information about an amazing journey I took with my son. But that'll be in 2 days. Because this only takes 3 minutes, and, well, I have a lot to say about it. But today there was an enormous earthquake in Thailand. I hope everybody that I've ever met in Thailand is doing all right. There were, like, buildings that collapsed, a lot of rooftop pools in Thailand. You just see the water cascading off the sides of them. And, yeah, no good. Like 7.7 quake in Bangkok. Holy crap. I'll have to talk to my friends in Malaysia and Singapore as well, because I'm sure they felt it. That's a big one. And you can see like buildings swaying back and forth. Just like, oh my god. Not cool. Not at all cool. But here it's just raining. We've had some minor tremors in this area recently. Nothing like that, though. But, you know, they always say about Washington, we're due for a biggin'. And that big storm we were supposed to have, I probably mentioned it on the last episode. It really wasn't that big. The problem is that during the day, it didn't heat up as much as was expected. If it got up to like 75 degrees and then that stuff rolled in, it would have been a real humdinger. But it just didn't do that. And I'm bummed because I was really looking forward to something crazy happening, but nope, no crazy. Yeah, hopefully. Oh, I know there were a few that died. I mean, you see these like 40 story buildings collapsing. I'm sure they're going to find like a lot of people that didn't make it in Thailand. So hopefully you're not one of them. And if you were, then you probably aren't watching this episode. But either way, hopefully it isn't as bad as it looks like it probably was. All right, let's try this. Here is our noodle. Okay. Nice bit of chewiness to it. Here's our broth. It's got a real strong herbal component to it. It's definitely got that duck flavor. If you've ever had duck in Asia, like, I'm not talking crispy duck, I'm talking like steamed or whatever. It has this very rich thing going on, kind of like dark meat. Because turkey, I mean, duck is kind of like really dark meat, but it's so freaking good. If you like meat, like I like meat, you'll just love duck. So, there you go. Oh, let's see what we got here. I didn't have any duck. That's one of my big irritations. I can't go to the store and get like a little bit of duck at the deli. It's just not an option. The only option really is to get like a whole roast duck. And unless I had like 5 reviews of duck flavored products to do, it's just not gonna happen. It's just not really cost effective. And yeah, I mean, don't get me wrong, I would eat a whole roast duck in 5 minutes flat, because that's the kind of thing I would do. But yeah, not really a thing that happens around here. But if I had duck, I would add some nice duck. This is a nice duck noodle, so watch it spin. All right, well, thank you for joining me for this episode. And the next one we got is this. It's a collaboration between Myojo and Mode Gekwan. I don't know. This is a... Come on, turn off Rotato. There you go. This is a spicy sweet honey butter jigai. So it's got a lot of weird elements to it. I don't know how good it's going to be, but I'm very curious about it. So that'll be on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This was the Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye. Power is out.